Unlock your AI animation potential without spending a dime by mastering Nano Banana. Today, we're diving into how Nano Banana, a fantastic free tool, revolutionizes your AI animation workflow, from breathing life into characters to rendering stunning scenes. First, let's get your character ready. Nano Banana excels at character rigging. Even for complex models, simply import your character, and the software will assist in creating a robust skeletal structure, allowing for natural movement. Focus on placing key joints accurately. Nano Banana's intuitive interface makes this process surprisingly smooth, meaning you can rig your characters much faster than traditional methods, saving you valuable time. Want to add realistic motion? Nano Banana supports motion capture data. Import your capture files, and watch your character come alive with authentic human or animal movements. Refine these movements by adjusting motion curves directly within Nano Banana. This granular control is key to achieving that professional polish and personality in your animations. But it doesn't stop at characters. You can also set up your entire scene, place your rigged characters, add environmental assets, and experiment with lighting to create immersive worlds. When it's time for the final output, Nano Banana offers flexible rendering options. Choose your preferred output format and resolution to ensure your animations look their best across all platforms. By integrating Nano Banana, you're not just streamlining your animation process. You're significantly boosting efficiency and achieving professional quality results, all with a completely free tool. Start creating amazing AI animations today with Nano Banana. Subscribe for more free AI workflow tutorials.